Hey guys, it's Dimitri with Serg Supply, and I'm here today to talk to you about our wheel well boxes, some of their features, their construction, and why they're one of our best-selling products. Let's start by talking about the construction of this cabinet. Now, we come from a background of building custom cabinets for homes, meaning we're using only the top grade material and assembly methods. This is pre-finished plywood, although you can order this in bamboo or a variety of different coated options. But most of the material we use is ply core, and we use a dovetail dado assembly for some of our heavier duty stuff. These boxes are edge banded, so you don't see any exposed grain, and we use only the top of the line hinging attachments that you might find in a high-end custom kitchen. These are fully adjustable, three-way adjustable soft close hinges with some much sturdier latches than some of our other product lines. Let's talk a little bit about the doors and what makes this special. Now, we have a setup of 4 different doors that are oriented a very specific way. You may note that on this particular unit, this is for a driver's side wall. We can start with the back doors here that are uniquely oriented for access from the outside of the vehicle as you're standing outside reaching in. That is more of a garage access kind of door. The 2 doors up top are actually also on soft close hinges, but they have a gas piston lift assist. This is for you to get any kind of quick access goods from underneath your bed, or if you don't have a bed, just from in front. Moving on, we have a larger door on the bottom. This is quick and easy access for your water tank, if you have emergency road supplies, shoes, rope, anything you might want to stow away that you don't need access to regularly. This would be the place to get it. One of the things that sets this box apart is the hardware. Now, the part I want to focus on right now is the latches. You may notice these are a little different from other models we had in the past. We had R&D'd with dozens of different latch systems. This is by far the best. It's a push button, quick release system, and it has full adjustability right here. So if your box ever loosens up for any reason and you need to adjust it so there's no vibration on the road, it's quick and easy, works every time. The next thing I want to walk you through is the compatibility. Now, every box, although there's driver side, passenger side, they're mirrored, comes off the line just about the same. And we've optimized this box to fit just about anything you can put in it. So this particular box right here will fit a water system or an electrical system. On the bottom, we have full pass-through across the full length of the box for larger water tanks. This will support most 20-gallon and some 36-gallon tanks, depending on your vehicle make and model. And we also have pass-throughs machined into the partition to run your wiring, to run your water lines, your water heater lines, any switches you have. And the last feature that comes standard with all these boxes is pass-through ventilation on each of the vertical sections. This includes outside walls and partitions. So whether it's electrical or plumbing you're running through here, you're ensured to have nice, cool air flowing in and out of the box. One of the key features of this box is actually its compatibility with all vehicle base models. This includes the ProMaster 118, 136, 159, and 159 extended models, the Transit 130, 148, and 148 extended length, as well as all of the Sprinter base models. You may note on our website that we have different sizes ranging from 54 to 72 inches. These are universal, but also specific to vehicle submodels. For example, the Sprinter 144 can fit the 54 or 60-inch boxes, but they will not fit the 66 or 72. It's up to you to decide based on your water system or electrical system which is the best fit for you, but this platform allows you to be able to fit all of them. As an added option to this wheel well box set, we can also pre-cut a bed platform and include a 4-inch memory foam mattress with your order. The bed platforms can be cut with a square edge to match the back of your box, or they can be cut with a contoured edge to wrap around the pillars in the back of your vehicle and touch the back doors and maximize your sleeping space. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time upfitter, it's our goal to bring you the very best products to make your life easier and your build go faster. So thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below or reach out directly to our team. Thanks once again, and happy building.